Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Target Affiliate Program, but not only that, I'm going to share with you the strategies on how you can actually make money with Target Affiliate. But before we're gonna start doing that, and I'm going to share like everything that I know, I created a free masterclass in which I'm teaching my top 3 strategies that I use daily to make thousands and thousands of dollars monthly from affiliate, and you can find the link down below in the description completely for free. So let's jump here to Target Affiliate Program and how it actually works. So to access Target Affiliate Program, you need to go with Impact. So when you come here and apply now, you're going to be directly in impact.com. And when you're going to scroll down below, you can find multiple things. So they have cookies for 7 days. So it means that if someone is going to click on your link on your product, then they would leave and they would come back 5 days later and would order the product. You would still earn money. You see right here for home outdoor living, you're gonna have 5%, and also have tiers here, 5% of item sale. Health and beauty is 1%, apparel and accessories 5%, baby gear, furniture 3%. All other are 3%. So you can have like all the things here, and you can always click here, and I don't think you're gonna have any details here, but this is the percentage. And now let's say that under that you need to actually just start focusing on what you want to actually make money from. Like, I don't recommend going with Target Beauty. I would just find different companies if you want to actually promote those products. So that's pretty much it about it. What do I think about it? It's a little bit similar, in some instances higher than Amazon, and Target is like alright affiliate program. Like most of the companies like Target, Best Buy, etc., they got a 7 to 10 days cookie window, and I understand it. So that's pretty much it. And now when we come here, so let's say we can have the category, right? And we can go to kitchen and dining cooker sale. Yeah, wait a second. I will go like this. So first, what you can do is to actually search what people are actually buying, and then just starting writing about it. So we have an option to write articles and then target it on like those products. So top deals in target.com. So let's say you would have an email list. You can use System IO for getting a landing page. If you, let's say you're going to promote something on TikTok, right? That you create videos about things you can buy right now in Target that are amazing, and people can just like sign up for your newsletter, and then you would send them the best deals. Like, that's something you can do, or best clothes. So we can have, let's say, home deals, right? And then you can have like plenty of options here what you can actually do. So we can go what's new, woman new arrivals, let's say new swimsuits, and that's something you can actually promote, right? So clothes, etc. So it really depends what you want, but I recommend like checking up the competition. Best Target finds, Best Target swimsuits, right? And you can start writing articles, but you need to really research. You need to really research the target here. So swimsuits, whatever they are selling, you need to research how much competition you're gonna actually have there. Another way is that you could create YouTube videos, and you would have, let's say, I don't know, Target Halloween, right? And look at this guy Kevin is just showing what you can actually buy in Target, and he got 50,000 views. That he can earn like what? 50,000 views, about $200. So you see, that's something you can actually do, and it's possible. right? Or target all, and this is something that people are going to actually watch also. Home goods, and actually show those products, target best deal, and actually look with YouTube search what actually you can create, what kind of videos. So that's something you can do. Even comparison videos, that's interesting, right? And then you can have like affiliate links there, or you can just promote the best deals in an email, and then you just send them the affiliate links, right, that people can buy. And that's something you can definitely do. So you can create a lot of videos about both of these. So you can find competition. You can check also there what they're offering, what kind of affiliate programs they have, and you can actually focus on it. So that's something that I would possibly do. And yeah, you go by categories and you actually look, as I mentioned, where you have the home, outdoor living, and then also you have apparel, accessories. You're gonna 5% here, which is amazing. And then you can start writing about it. So this is like a really fast how we can actually do it. If you can have any questions, guys, let me down in the comments, and definitely check the masterclass down below in the description. And yeah, have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.